Welcome back to Geek Rehab. I'm here with my buddy Will, and we're going to show you a little tape job on for an AC joint sprain. So I'm going to show you the AC joint. I'm going to kind of mark it out for you. It's made up of it's actually called the acromioclavicular joint. All right, your acromion is part of your shoulder complex. Okay, there's the end of that acromion. Comes around that way. And then the collarbone, or the clavicular, comes into here and attaches like that. Okay? So here's the acromion and the clavicular, or the AC joint. Alright?
I'll have to go get that tatted in.
That would be awesome. We'll add in on the AC joint sprain. Some possible causes of injury to this is basically any trauma to the shoulder, whether it be football, rock climbing that failed. So yeah, any basic trauma to the shoulder, if you end up feeling that you have pain at that AC joint area, then more than likely you've got a sprain. Thank you. Please click below for any links that you have for further taping techniques. As well, in the future we'll have some rehab videos for exercises to help complement the recovery of this injury.